You're evaluating data warehouses for your startup, and you're considering Snowflake. Before you make any decisions, let me introduce you to Definite, and let's do a side-by-side comparison. To start, let's look at Snowflake. Snowflake is a powerful, enterprise-grade data warehouse. Fortune 500 companies run on it. And if you're processing petabytes of data with complex ML workloads, Snowflake is built for that. But here's the issue. For the most part, Snowflake is just a warehouse. To actually use it and get value from it, you need an ETL tool like Fivetran to get data in, a transformation layer like dbt to organize everything, potentially a semantic layer, and a BI tool like Looker to visualize. That's 5 or 6 different products, 5 or 6 bills, and probably a data engineer or a small data team just to keep it running. And for most startups, that's a massive overkill. Definite takes a completely different approach. Instead of stitching together 6 tools, Definite is a true all-in-one platform. It's a data warehouse, it's an ETL tool, it does your transformations, and it does all your dashboards and visualizations. And on top of all of that, our AI agent Fee helps you accomplish every single step of the process. Let me show you how it works live. Once you sign into the product, the first thing you'll do is connect your data sources. Definite has over 500 pre-built data connectors for all the tools that you use on a daily basis, from payment platforms like Stripe to CRMs like HubSpot and Addio, customer success tools, HR platforms, you name it. And once you've connected your data sources, you'll create a new doc or a dashboard, and you'll immediately start talking to our AI agent Fee. And you can ask Fee anything related to your data, such as, what's our ARR by month? Build me a dashboard. Immediately, Fee will find the data that best answers this question. And in the background, before we even ask this question, Fee immediately built data models and organized the data to best assist us. For example, it created a data model for HubSpot emails. Additionally, it created a data model for Stripe prices and Stripe invoices. And going back to the question we asked Fee, Fee found that the best data to answer this question was within our Stripe data, and now it's going to go through it and build a comprehensive dashboard. And there we have it. Fee answered the question, built a dashboard, and additionally, you're able to customize everything that Fee creates. You can review the underlying SQL, or you can change the design of the charts, etc. Now let's go back to our comparison of Snowflake versus Definite. When you buy Snowflake, you pretty much only get a data warehouse, and you still need to buy an ETL tool, a BI tool, etc. With Definite, you're getting a warehouse, an ETL tool, an AI assistant, and a BI tool. The setup time for Snowflake can take weeks to months, but with Definite, like you just saw, it can take under 30 minutes. The monthly cost of Snowflake can be $5,000, and that's not including the additional tools required or the team that you have to hire. And with Definite, most teams only pay $1,000 a month. The bottom line is this. If you have petabytes of data, complex ML workloads, and a dedicated data team, Snowflake is a great option for you. However, if you're a startup and you need analytics now without hiring a data team, we highly recommend Definite. The biggest mistake startups make is over-engineering for scale they don't have yet. Start lean, get value fast, and you can always migrate later if needed. Before you make your decision on Snowflake, please check out Definite. You'll get set up in under 30 minutes, and we have a dedicated team to assist you every step of the way.